Hi everyone, in this video let's learn how to turn off the activity indicator on Snapchat. So if you are uncomfortable of seeing your activity status, then you can turn this off or disable this by following the steps. First is to open your Snapchat account and make sure it's updated. So tap your profile icon and the settings gear icon on the upper right corner, and then under your privacy controls, so look for activity indicator, so tap on it, and then as you can see my activity indicator is turned on. So if it's enabled, it means that others can use and can see if I have been active on Snapchat. You can toggle that off if you don't want others to see your active status on Snapchat. So that's easy. You can just turn it on again if you allow others to see your activity status. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates.